So guys, welcome to another video on our mini project, and yeah, we got some catching up to do. So last time you saw this car, we did the complete back end, which still looks pretty good. We still alright.
Yeah, only I lost the emblem somewhere on the driveway, and now my neighbors have it, so I have to go pick it up once.
Yeah, Aaron like let the car run and took it for a little drive up the driveway, and he lost the emblem.
Yeah.
But you didn't drive over it, it's something.
No.
Yeah. So in the meantime, since the last video, some things have actually been changed or has been done. So for one, as you can see, we're missing like all the front body panels, which is a good thing, because these were like in 3 different colors.
Yeah, something like that.
2 different kinds of blue, one black, one brownish. But what you guys don't know is last year I switched jobs to a body shop, more for administrative tasks and such, but after hours I get to learn how to do some body work from my colleagues. So what better pieces to learn on than the ones from the Mini. So the daily right there is full of freshly painted Mini parts, which is really cool. I'll put some pictures on screen. So we took all the parts, pulled the dents out of the hood, like evened everything out, primered it, painted it. So that's
like 2 new fenders, because these
the bolts of the fenders are like major sons of a beat.
The previous owner, I think, replaced them or took them off to paint them, I don't know, and he ruined all the bolts and
like all the mounting points here, and also these bolts are actually seized, so that's gonna be a fun project for today to get those out on both sides. And otherwise, you did some diagnosing of our Christmas tree dashboard.
Yeah,
and
that's true. Well, I just figured out with my diagnosing tool that there's one, as we thought, one of the ABS sensors that's bad, or the steering angle sensor, that's not for sure yet. But we need like different equipment to read it out at full and know which sensor is broken, or and which one we have to replace. So
that's something, but you got a good BMW mechanic. Maybe we'll get him to read the car.
Yeah, maybe I'll go to a BMW mechanic that can read out, I don't know, the car to know which sensor we have to replace, because if we have to replace all 5 of them, that's gonna cost like
5?
More than the steering
the 4
angle
and the
sensor
steer.
4. So we can try, but
we'll see what happens.
If we're just right on the 5th try, that's also the same money wasted. So.
Yeah, but what we got here also, what you did also, was try to find out. So this car has a major battery draining issue. So whatever we do, the battery is always flat when we come back to the car. So Aaron like disconnected like the DVD screens in the back. He pulled out the CD changer because that one went haywire every time it got power, because there's an aftermarket radio in there.
And it was not an original one, so...
Yeah, so we got rid of all that, so hopefully we can try later if it will work, but I got like a little suspicion that it will still be an issue, so... Yeah.
And also I did some diagnosing on the coolant system, and I have good news on that side, because we don't have a coolant leak.
We just have a major air pocket.
Yeah, because I think they replaced the radiator after the accident it had, and they didn't took the air out of the system, so the system is full of air, so that have to be done.
Yeah, we'll check that out. Yeah. Oh yeah, and we cleaned the car. So last week I just cleaned the interior like a quick.
Yeah, that's the alarm.
Oh.
Yeah.
I gave it a quick clean, so it's a bit cleaner now. But I also found out while I was cleaning it that one of the windows has been broken. That's for sure, because it was glass all under the seat on the passenger side. And also these are not the original seats, because our car has heated seats, but these ones don't have heating. So there's like a plug loose under both sides. So that's also cool to know.
Yeah,
but
so that's an option less on the car.
Yeah, but we'll see about what we're gonna do with that, or if we just leave it. We'll see about that.
I think we just leave.
Now for the exciting bit.
Let's go check out some parts.
Let's go check it to the painted bits. So yeah, normally the video about Skoda should be up by now, so you guys know what's up. But blankets.
Well, that looks nice.
So here, hold camera.
Damn.
I'm gonna have to pull this out for a second.
Yeah, just throw that in the garbage or something. You don't need that anymore.
I'm not throwing it.
Look at this. It's actually the first time I see these parts painted. Wow, they look amazing.
So, for one, we got the bumper painted.
Wow.
So it's now OEM color. We did some cleaning of all the plastics, so these got a bit shine, and the chrome has been deleted. Now, unfortunately, this chrome piece was like a bit knackered. It has like stone chips everywhere.
Look
So the
at
paint
this.
does not stick that well, but the bumper is nice.
Yeah, it is.
It's like,
Yeah, you can just hold it like that and just keep there. I will do the rest of the work today. No.
okay, so let's put this down.
And now for the hood. Let's wait until he's back for the reveal. I want to see it, but... So your camera is having like issues with the focusing.
Yeah,
oh, there, it's back, it's back.
It does that every time. So then we got the two new, or the two like freshly painted replica fenders.
Wow.
Because OEM ones are like...
That's like a big difference. Can you focus, please?
Maybe you should go to manual focus or something.
Yeah, I don't know. Ah, now it's back.
That's gonna be fun to be editing.
Yeah. Just look at a little part already. Oh, look at this.
We got, and then we just got one big
Yeah,
piece.
sorry, I couldn't hold myself. I looked
Well, you
already a
can't.
little bit.
But you can't see anything. Let's get rid of all this.
Actually, I think I have to film from this angle. Because the fun part is in the front.
Let's make it a peep show, shall we?
Ooh,
There it is.
look at that. That is one shiny hood.
And also, we got a black grill for this, of course. So, actually, the car and everything, so all the body panels were painted blue by a body shop, and the grills and the chrome I just did with a Renault can. So if those don't look as fancy as all the rest, yeah, it was quick with a Renault can.
Yeah.
Because like honeycomb grills cost a lot of money.
So I'm gonna put the camera down for a second and we're gonna unload this hood, put everything out in the shop, in the garage. Sorry, I don't have a shop actually.
Is that something you got something to tell me?
No,
you got a shop
not
now?
yet,
Oh,
not
okay,
yet, not
not yet. So guys, we got all the pieces laid out. So the new hood scoop painted, hood painted, black grill. Then again, we got the new fenders, left and right, and the front bumper, also with the chrome deleted. For all you guys who are shouting in the comments that we didn't dechrome the headlights yet, we'll be looking into that like in a future episode, or maybe we won't, we will see. But all this right here should go on the car, and then we'll finally have something that does not look like, what does it look like? I don't know, a frog? Something that was hit in the face? I don't know. So let's get started.
Have like the little eyes on the...
Yeah, they got, yeah, but we don't have the fender liners in anymore.
Yeah, no, they're like over there on my Audi seats.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, to make room to put my car.
Hey, did you keep all the bolts that you took off the car? Or are we gonna have to like scramble the new ones?
Oh. Well, no, I have them all.
Okay, but first up I'm gonna look into getting these ones off. So these little bolts are seized, so I'm gonna give them like a little slot with a Dremel and then maybe heat it up or try to loosen them up, we'll see. So guys, so after like a few hours of like wanting to kill myself and put this car on fire, I got the bolts out. And Aaron is trying to look at coolant.
Yeah.
So we got this bolt and the bolt the other side, so we got all the seized bolts are out. So it's time, Aaron. It's time!
It's time?
New fender time!
Finally.
And he's still reading his Coolant bottle. So a little while later, we got the fenders on, got the alignments as good as we can, which looks pretty good, and just finishing up the last blinker, and then we can get on with the fun stuff, like the hood, especially the hood.
Yeah.
So guys, a little while later, so the hood still needs adjusting and the bumper is only like put on, but I guess she looks like a car again, guys. And it's like super.
Oh,
The black grills do so much, dude.
it's really crazy. It looks.
She finally has one color.
Yeah, finally. That looks so much better than before.
Let's take that stand, look.
Well, maybe the look stands, but the car. I don't know.
Well,
Oh,
this looks amazing.
yeah, so much better.
So guys, that's where I'm gonna end it for today's video, because yeah, you better watch out for next week's video, guys. It's gonna be epic because we are starting something big. But that's all I got time for this week. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye.